Well, you are magnificent.
Yes, eat up. Move along now. Keep the pace steady.
Watch out, he's moving left.
Move forward. Keep moving. Straight ahead now. Watch the clearance on the left side.
Copy that. Lowering slowly now.
Keep moving. Faster. Watch the wheels. Clear the path up ahead.
Push him forward, keep the pressure on.
He's almost there. Steady now.
Keep them moving, get the next group up the ramp.
Watch the horns on that big one.
Check the restraints on level 3.
Looks secure, but the mud is getting deep.
Hail the providers! Hail the machine!
Crane 2, confirm harness secured on target B.
Confirmed. Proceeding with lift sequence.
Move up, row 3. Hold the line.
Watch the flank. Keep them steady.
The moisture reading is slightly high on the third pallet.
Confirmed. The next spray cycle should correct it.
Check the humidity on this batch. It feels slightly off.
I agree. Let's adjust the airflow settings for this row.
The moisture levels in batch gamma are normalizing.
Excellent, the new solvent mix is working perfectly.
Check the flow rate on the rinse cycle.
It's within optimal parameters. The dimensions match the blueprint. Approved for the next stage. The texture is flawless.
Keep coming, plenty of room in the back. All right, set it down right there. Looks secure.
Bay 2, confirm load secure.
Affirmative, moving to staging.
Clear on the left. Taking this to the staging area. Roger that. I've signed for the shipment on the tablet.
The lining is 100% silk, incredibly soft. Yep.
It feels wonderful. I'll take it.
Thank you for your purchase. Enjoy your new jacket.
It's absolutely beautiful. Thank you so much.